Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix Gmail not receiving emails. First I will show you on PC and later I will show you what you need to do here on your phone as well. So the first thing what I suggest to do here is to click on your profile icon on the top right and then look if your storage is not full here. For me, as you can see here, I have 0% of 15 gigabyte allowance here, but if your storage is full, you can see how much space Gmail uses or Google Drive. So what you need to do here is to go ahead and delete maybe your emails or your Google Drive files. Basically, Gmail files, emails with basically a lot of storage that uses for your email is with attachments. So you can just press on filters here, just sort out with attachments, and then you just need to delete those emails. Another thing that you need to do here, you need to make sure that your email is not on spam. If it's on spam, you just need to report and not a spam, and it will be later, these emails will be not in the spam and you will easily see them. Next thing what you need to do here, you need to look if the Gmail is not down. So you just need to write Gmail server status here and look if the servers of Gmail is not down. Currently, as you can see here, there is no reports, but here there was 23 reports. If you see a big spike, probably the servers are down and you just need to wait. Another thing that you need to do here is to go to press on little settings icon here, then select see all settings. Then you need to go to filters and blocked addresses. And then you need to make sure that nothing is selected here. If you see something here, you just need to delete it. And also the following email addresses are blocked section. Make sure that you unblock some users, maybe you accidentally block them. Then if we go to forwarding and pop IMAP here, you should see also your forwarding addresses here if you're using some forwarding. So try to delete forwarding and look if the problem persists after that. And also if you're using a different email app, make sure IMAP is enabled here. And if you're using phone, then you just need to, in my case, I'm using iPhone. I just need to go to settings, then scroll all the way down, go to apps. Then here you need to look for a specific app. You need to go to general and then you need to go to iPhone storage, then wait for a couple of seconds. And then here you need to look for Gmail app. So let's quickly look, let's look for it. Then press on the Gmail, then press here offload app, wait for a couple of seconds, and then press reinstall app and wait until the app reinstalls. Don't worry, you will not lose any of your passwords. You will be logged into your accounts. And then after app reinstalls, you need to look if the problem persists after that, if you're still not receiving emails or not, right? So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like.